Hello, welcome to a short video on how to use Google Translate on your phone or laptop to help you complete our Learn Telford application form. When you register for a Learn Telford course, you will be sent an acknowledgement email with a link for an application form. When you click on the link, the application form will appear in either Google Chrome or an alternative web browser depending on your device's settings. When the application form opens, click on the three dots or lines at the top right or bottom of your screen and click Translate. If you are on a laptop, you may need to right-click your mouse to find these options. Click on the cog icon and More Languages. If you have used Google Translate before, your preferred language may already be selected. If not, you can make your selection here. Once you have selected your preference, the form will then translate into your chosen language. Time to complete the application form. The drop-down options will also be translated, and once the form is completed, press the Submit button at the bottom. We hope you found this short video useful. From all of us at Learn Telford, thank you, and we hope to see you on one of our courses soon.